In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out shapes effect in Canva, transforming your designs with ease. First and foremost, open your browser and go to Canva's official website. This is the first step in creating a brilliant cutout shape effect. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to continue, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. You'll need to log into your Canva account, or you can register if you're joining Canva for the first time. If you choose to log in using Google, make sure to select your Google account when prompted. By doing so, Canva will automatically link with your Google account for an easier login process in the future. As you sign in, continue clicking on any on-screen prompts until you're directed to the main dashboard. Here you'll find all your designs and templates, which is central to starting a new project or opening an existing one. Now that you're logged into Canva, it's time to dive into your project. Open the design that you wish to enhance with the cutout shapes effect. If you're starting from scratch, simply create a new design by selecting a template size that fits your needs. Within your project, it's time to add some shapes or elements. This can be anything from simple geometric shapes to a more complex array of graphics. You can find these under the Elements tab on the left side menu within Canva. Once you've added the elements, your next task is to select the image you'd like to incorporate into the design. Click on the image and then look at the top menu bar where you'll see an option labeled BG Remover. This excellent tool will allow you to cut out the shape of the main image, perfectly integrating it with your chosen design. Following this, you'll need to adjust your image. This step ensures your image sits perfectly within the shape, providing a crisp and seamless look. Take your time here. The perfect adjustment can often make all the difference. Now, to add depth and detail, consider adding another element. By layering your design, you'll add complexity and interest to your creation. Simply repeat the image selection and BG remover steps for this new element. Finish things off by making any final adjustments. Tweak the positions, alignments, and colors to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, your cutout shapes effect is complete. You've successfully used Canva's tools to create a professional-looking graphic. Congratulations on a job well done. Be sure to save your design and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy designing with Canva and enjoy the endless possibilities this powerful tool offers.